this is Nima Shakir, and welcome to my Excel training for financial controllers. Okay, so we will start calculating the totals here, line by line. In the previous sessions, we learned how to calculate the total. So we have the sum, we have the SUMF, and we have the SUMIFs. In our case here, we will be using the SUMIFs because this is a multi-condition, and so we have the expense type, we have the customer number, we have the start date and end date. So we have 4 conditions. We want Excel to total the amount if all 4 conditions are met. So we will start by typing the SUMF. Okay, the first thing Excel wants from me is the sum range, and the sum range is located in the transactions, and it's in this column here. So it's in this column here, and it's from H1 to H10,000 and 1. Okay, so I finished this part. Then Excel telling me what is the criteria range. The criteria range for the second criteria that I have is or the first criteria is the customer number. So the customer number. So the criteria range will be before here, and it's located in here. It's from D2. Sorry. Okay, here. From D2 to 10,002. Okay, so this is the criteria range, and this is the criteria. Now we move to the next one. And let me copy this because I will be using this a lot, and I'll show you how we can just use code paste. So the next criteria will be the expense type. So the expense type is here, and the range for it is the type of the expenses in here in this column. It's in the F column. So I will just paste this here, and I will use the F column. And the criteria will be this one here. The next one will be the date. Okay, so the date is located in the column B, column B, yes. Okay, so I will be using column B, and this is B. Now with the date, the condition is different. So this will be like this: greater or equal the date, which is this one. And then again, I can copy this, repeat it again here, and it's going to be less or equal D4. Okay, so now we have it. This is the total. We are making a total from this range. The first condition is this one is the account number. This is the range for the account number in the data, and this is the account number. The second condition is the expense type, and this is the range for the expense type, and this is the value of the condition located here, A9. And the next is the date. This is the range for the date, and this is the value of the start date, greater or equal D3 here. And then the second value also, this is the range. Notice here the same range. We're talking about the same range. And it's less or equal this value here. So the same transaction, if it's greater or equal this one, or below or equal this one, then it's counted part of the total. If it's not, then Excel will ignore it. So we just press enter, telling me value, because I don't have any account number here. So let's copy an account number from here and just use it for this example. Okay,